Think of a relationship that ended, a friendship, a romance, a family member who went quiet. Now I want you to think carefully. Was there a moment before the end when something shifted? A conversation that felt slightly off, a text that took too long to arrive, a look that used to mean something and suddenly meant nothing. Most people think relationships end in the big fight, the dramatic argument, the final goodbye. But psychology tells a different story. Relationships don't end in anger, they end in a moment of silence, a quiet decision made alone. And what I am about to tell you is exactly what that moment looks like and how to catch it before it becomes the point of no return. Here's the first thing you need to understand. When a relationship ends, people almost always point to the last fight. But Dr. John Gottman spent over 40 years studying couples. He could predict divorce with over 90% accuracy just by watching them for a few minutes. And what he found was this: the last fight is never the real reason. The emotional leaving happened months, sometimes years earlier. At some point, being in this dynamic stopped feeling safe. Not dangerous, just exhausting. The person reached a point where engaging felt like it cost too much, and they made a quiet decision. Not, I hate this person. Not, I'm leaving. Just, I'm done trying to be understood here. That is the real ending. Everything after is just paperwork. Gottman identified 4 specific behaviors that predict the end of any relationship. He called them the 4 horsemen. The first is criticism. Criticism attacks the person, not the behavior. You're so selfish instead of that hurt me. It says there is something fundamentally wrong with you. The second is contempt. This is the most dangerous. Eye rolls, mockery, sarcasm, a tone that says, I am above you. The body knows something is wrong. The third is defensiveness. Instead of hearing a concern, you immediately defend yourself. Well, you do the same thing. It says, your pain is not my responsibility. And the fourth is stonewalling. When someone shuts down completely, it looks like coldness, but it's actually a nervous system response to being overwhelmed. It's the beginning of the end. So what does the exact moment actually look like? It doesn't look like anything. That's the point. It's not a slammed door. It's a conversation where someone didn't really hear. It's a repair attempt that was ignored. A small gesture to de-escalate. When those are ignored repeatedly, the person eventually stops making them. That last repair attempt is often the exact moment. If this has happened to you, why didn't you see it? Because of closeness communication bias. We assume we know them so well that we stop really looking. Familiarity becomes a blindfold. We stop being curious. And curiosity is the oxygen of any relationship. When it stops, the relationship is already breathing its last. So what do? Notice bids for connection. These are the relationship asking. Are you still there? Do I still matter? Start responding to them, even when you're tired. Make it safe to be real. If someone brings you something vulnerable, resist the reflex to defend. Just hear it. Thank you for telling me that is not weakness. It's the thing that keeps people from going silent. Stay curious. Ask questions you don't know the answer to. People stay where they feel genuinely known, not perfectly understood, just seen. That is a thing that makes someone stay. The moment a person stops caring is not a moment of anger, it's a moment of exhaustion. But most of those moments were preventable, with one small act, choosing to see them. Go and do one thing today. Send a message, make a call, ask a real question, because it isn't too late yet. Drop in the comments, what's one small thing someone did that made you feel seen?